I choose between this one or that one when I know that I can have both?
Okay, you cannot have both. Christianity and feminism are mutually exclusive. So, ibig sabihin, in feminism, you are saying that pareho ang dapat rights, authority, and dignity, responsibility, and everything ng babae at saka ng lalaki, ng husband at saka ng wife. So, doon na lang sa payment sa trabaho, minsan pareho daw ng trabaho, bakit daw mas mataas yung sahod ng lalaki kaysa sa babae? Ang sagot naman dyan, mas mataas kasi mas marami silang nagagawa. So, it's a merit-based system ng work environment at saka ng qualification. Siyempre, mas mataas yung sahod no, mas maraming nagagawa, mas maraming output, mas malakas, mas kaya niyang tumagal ng mas mahabang working hours. So that is not misogynistic pagbababa ng isang babae. Kasi ang Bible mismo nagsasabi na do not usurp authority over a man because Eve was in the transgression. So that's going far back in the garden. You cannot have more reason against feminism than that.